Hi, I'm Vaughan Willaims, the Plaid Cymru parliamentary candidate for Llanelli constituency, and I'd like to start this video clip by referring to something which happened earlier this week, which was the Hengoed by-election. I'd like to congratulate both the councillors on being elected. I'd like to congratulate especially Susan Phillips, who was elected on behalf of Plaid Cymru. Susan, I'm certain you will do a fantastic job. I look forward to working alongside you. I know you will serve the people of the Hengoed community with pride and with honesty and integrity, and I wish you all the best success in that task. I'd like to thank the people of Hengoed in general for such a warm welcome. Thank you for your hospitality, your kindness and indeed your humour. Diolch o galon, thank you very much. This morning, as is usual in Llanelli, I'm sure you noticed on Twitter and other forms of social media, we have been campaigning non-stop. We've been to T Cross and met many people raising many different issues. Chief amongst those issues were Labour Party or Labour supporters disgruntled at their party's blatant support for Conservative austerity, and a warm reception of Plaid Cymru's ambitions of creating a fairer and equal, a stronger nation, supporting our communities all across Llanelli, Carmarthenshire and indeed the rest of Wales. We've also had great success with our petition, which we started last week. Now this petition, I believe, friends, is a very important one. It calls on the Labour-led Carmarthenshire Council to scrap the car parking charges which they've imposed across the county. It's having a hugely detrimental effect on businesses here in Llanelli itself. I urge, as I have done on numerous occasions, for Labour-led Carmarthenshire Council to scrap those car parking charges. Friends, it seems ridiculous to me to be penalising the people of this town who want to support the town centre. Let's have some ambition, let's have some pride, let's get behind the town and let's scrap those charges now. You can sign a petition all across town in reality. You can sign it in the Llanelli Star office. The petition was dropped off there on Thursday. You can sign it in Jolly's, which is in the town centre. You can sign it in BJ's, which is a cafe in the town centre, and you can sign it at the Oyster Bar, which is a chip shop and cafe here in Llanelli town centre. Let's get behind this petition. Let's send the Labour-led council here in Carmarthenshire a clear message. Scrap the charges. Scrap them now. And I'd like to finish by reflecting on the events of Hengoed this week. I'd like to congratulate the Plaid Cymru team on the campaign which we fought, which has been a busy campaign, a hard-fought campaign and an ambitious campaign. So I'd like to thank the team personally as the Westminster candidate for the hard work. But in reality, what message can we take from Hengoed? In this constituency, the voters will be faced with a choice of Plaid Cymru or Labour. That is the reality of the situation. A vote for Labour, a party which has backed shamelessly Conservative proposed austerity, which has voted along with their Tory friends, which has stood next to them in a lobby. And I wonder, as they voted for continued austerity, did they think of the poorest people across our communities? Those who now consider it a luxury to have heating and eating. Those who have to choose. Those people who are paying extra money for sports fees and pitches. Those people who worry about library facilities, growing class sizes. Did they think of those people? I think we need to ask that question in all sincerity. On the other hand, of course, Plaid Cymru. I'm genuinely proud to say that Plaid Cymru have a proven track record of voting against Conservative, Labour, UKIP and Lib Dem backed austerity. Labour has chosen the side of the Tories. Plaid Cymru has chosen the side of the people. I'm lying.